uplifting motivational stories. Once upon a time, in a quiet village in Japan, there lived a small boy. There was one thing he did love to do. He drew cats on walls, on doors, on scrolls. He drew them everywhere. His parents didn't understand. His teachers were annoyed. They said he wasn't useful. So one day, they sent him away to live in a monastery, to become a priest, to learn discipline. But even at the monastery, the boy couldn't stop drawing cats. He scribbled on rice paper. He painted them on the temple screens. The head priest saw his drawings, and instead of punishing him, he simply said, "You're not meant to be a priest. Leave tonight. But remember this, wherever you go, avoid large places and keep to small." The boy didn't understand, but he obeyed. That night, he wandered into a quiet village, tired, lost. He found an old abandoned temple. It was large, dark, empty, or so he thought. He remembered the priest's words, "Avoid large places, keep to small." So instead of sleeping in the great hall, he found a tiny storage room off to the side. And before going to bed, he did what he always did. He drew cats, big ones, small ones, all over the walls. Then he curled up and slept. In the middle of the night, he awoke to a terrifying sound. Screeching, growling, clawing. Something massive was in the main hall. Something evil. Something monstrous. But he stayed hidden in the tiny room, paralyzed with fear. When morning came, he stepped out into the main temple. It was destroyed. In the middle of the floor was the massive, lifeless body of a goblin rat, a beast known to haunt abandoned temples. Above it, his cats, still drawn on the walls and smeared in red across their paws, was blood.